Over the past years, I've had my success and my failures in online business. If you don't learn the principles of starting an online business, or a business for that matter, you're going to struggle, just like a lot of people. A lot of people talk about having a business that is location free, and for most people it ends up as a dream. Let me open up with one of my favorite quotes, which goes like, if I had 6 hours to chop down a tree, I would spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe. What it simply means is that a lot of people, they never spend time in understanding the foundations of building a successful online business. So what I've decided to do is to open up the curtains and show you one of my income sources and apply the basic principles that I apply to all of the businesses that I run and all the income sources that I have. The principles are the same, but the application and the tactics really differs. And if you have not downloaded the ebook that I've mentioned in the first video, you need to make sure that you download that ebook, because it is our guidance that is going to guide us through as I give you a case study of a business that I'm going to be talking about throughout this series. So you need to understand that, like I said earlier on, my failures and my success, I've taken time to study what is it that is making me successful, what is it that is making other people successful, what is it that is having other people fail as well. So I've come up with a concept, or the principles. There are actually 9 of them, and this is the introduction video that I want you to understand. And I'm going to be repeating these principles one by one so that you can have them by your heart and you can remember them with your head. So the first thing you want to do is that go ahead and download the PDF ebook that I've actually mentioned about. Find the link in the description and make sure you go ahead and read it ahead of time, as I'm going to be unrolling in each video and explain what each stage means. I've been so privileged, should I say, to have a lot of mentors around me that have taught me the concept that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this session. So there's a lot of myths about online business. So probably you are someone who is just getting started, you have no idea, it's something that you're seeing on the internet, you just can't take yourself off the ground. I'm going to simplify the processes and give you examples of a real business that I've started, so that you can learn the principles as I've applied them in that business and other businesses that I have that runs through the internet, the majority of them, especially with the use of social media. So let us go ahead and shout out the principles. So the principle number 1 is learn it all. Okay, I know them by head and we're going to be shouting them out. Number 1 of the principle is learn it all. Number 3 is creating the product or finding the product, or creating the service or finding the service. Number 4 is creating the buying environment. Number 5 is the traffic. Number 6 is the more traffic. Number 7 is the semi-automation. Number 8 is automation. Number 9 is your own recipe. By the end of this case study, we are going to break down each and every of that step in relation with the business model that we're going to be talking about. So the business model that we're going to be talking about is a project that I've been working on, and you can actually check out the website, which is called Nyari Online. So this project is geared on teaching IELTS, okay, that is English lessons for the people that are going to the United Kingdom, and I'm going to show you exactly how we have applied these principles in establishing that business model and also generating some income from it, so that you can learn how you can apply those principles, especially when you are just getting started. So what I want you to understand, remember I said you need to code these by your heart, you need to remember this by your head, these 9 guiding principles, because at the end of the day, when I'm looking at a business concept, I'm looking at those 9 steps to see if the business concept can fit in all those 9 steps until the end. So you're going to realize exactly the moments that I had in my life and the moments that that inspired me to start the project as well. So with that said, welcome again. This is video number 2, and if you have any questions for me, leave a comment below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we're going to be talking about learning it all. Thank you.